Another way that I'll hold on to the mobile ZTE, this mobile device, is to keep it in this old BlackBerry case. So any kind of pouch like this will work. You get your device charged up, turn it on, and put it in the case. It's going to then be essentially a wireless hub for internet from your provider. They have a SIM card in them here on the side. If we open this up, what's going on here? If we open this up, you can see the SIM card from the carrier here. So it's essentially like a phone in that it's going to go directly to your cell provider. There's also the reset button in there. But then instead of having to have a phone, it's not kind of like a pager. This thing is just on, and you can run through the cycles there with some buttons, but essentially it's just on with a signal. You Wi-Fi your devices, phones, tablets, computers, webcams, other devices that might need Wi-Fi, that need internet access. You run them through this, and then with this carrier, you can just clip this someplace, clip it onto your bag, clip it inside of your bag, clip it into your vehicle, and as long as the power is charged in the batteries, and the batteries last quite a while because all they're doing is running Wi-Fi, you've got cellular Wi-Fi anywhere you need it. And these are nice, small, solid units. Hope this helps.